Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just got an email from Larry Van Horn. Now, if I go down here, he is the person that writes a lot of these magazines and articles and books related to shortwave listening, the military, listening to the military, and his wife writes these guides. I just reviewed the latest guide a couple of shows ago. But anyway, he's got a brief article about the DOD provisional time slot on WWV and WWVH. And this is kind of interesting because 6 months ago, they were talking about shutting the place down. Now, they're talking about expanding it. He says from April 20th to May 3rd, WWV, WWVH will broadcast a DOD message at 10 minutes past the hour on WWV and at 15 minutes past the hour on WWVH, which is Hawaii. And it says that this broadcast time slot will voice announce upcoming exercises and how the amateur radio community can become involved in various exercises, I guess dealing with the government. To begin, the broadcast message will likely be static. I guess that means it's pre-recorded. Future exercises, we hope to be able to update the broadcast throughout the exercise as notional conditions change, whatever that means. The broadcast message will ask listeners to provide reception reports and feedback to a specific URL. Well, this sounds kind of interesting. Now, I use WWV all the time to see if my receiving system is working on shortwave and at various frequencies, 5, 10, 15, 20 megahertz. And like I say, 6 months ago, they were going to shut it down. Now they're going to expand it. This is great. This is great news for us shortwave listeners. Anyway, his website, he's got a couple of them. This particular one is MT because he used to work for Monitoring Times. He started this back in those days, mt-milcom.blogspot.com. And then I'll take you to his main page, and then you can get to this article. Anyway, have a nice day. Let us know what you think of this. Bye-bye.